go, huh? You're so smart. This is your shelter. Come on, Snowcat. It's okay. Good girl. Hey, babies. Hey, Bubba. What you doing, huh? Huh, Dewey? Yeah, you guys are so smart. Yeah. Dad said you wouldn't come in here. Huh? Yeah, you guys are going to love this. It's going to be your little house. Yeah, it's like a little fort. Yeah, when it's storming, you guys are going to love it in here. Yep, Louie was the first one to come in here, and then Giselle, and then Snow Kitty, huh?